The question you had was, can we share one sheet of a Google Sheets workbook with someone without sharing the other sheets with that same person? So the short answer to that is no, Google Sheets doesn't work that way, but there is a formula called ImportRange that we can use to take the contents of one portion of a spreadsheet or workbook, bring it into a new spreadsheet, and give other people view access to that data. So that's what I'm going to show you. So here I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of data in the first sheet and then just some kind of dummy data in 2 and 3. So what I did, I made a new spreadsheet over here, and we're going to go ahead and write the formula in cell A1. So we're going to go ahead and type equals, because every formula begins with the equal sign. And then I'm going to type the phrase, all one word, import. And as I type import, you'll see some data pop up here. And we're going to go to the bottom here and say import range. Now it gives us a little hint as to what we're supposed to type in. So we're going to start by opening a quotation mark. So we have equals, import range, open parenthesis, open quotation mark. Now we're going to get the URL of the spreadsheet we're pulling from. So I'm going back to this other spreadsheet. This is my original. I'll hit Control L on my keyboard, and that's going to highlight the address bar. Then I'll copy that web address with Control C. Come back over here into my new spreadsheet, and I'm going to paste that web address up in the formula bar right after the parenthesis. Now I'm going to close, right after the quotation mark. Now I'm going to close my quotation marks, put a comma, and now open another quotation mark. Now here, I'm going to put the sheet name and cell range that I want to pull over, that I want to import. So looking back on my original, it's sheet 1. Notice there's no space between the word sheet and the number 1. And then we want cells A1 through E3. So I'm over here, and I open my new quotation mark, and I'll type sheet 1, then an exclamation point, then the cells A1 colon E3. Now I'm going to close my parenthesis and close my quotation mark and hit enter. It's going to load. Now, I've already done this once. Had I not done this once before, you'll get an error that would say you need to allow access. So once you hit allow, you'll get this right here. You can format the data. Like I went ahead and bolded this and kind of modified the cell size a little bit. But that's what you do. Now, you can share this spreadsheet like a normal spreadsheet, but just keep in mind that when you share this import range, only shared as can view, because people can't actually manipulate the data here. If someone goes in, like let's say tries to change this from a 1 to a 0, it's going to error out that formula because it's saying, hey, that doesn't belong here. So we would share that as view only. Hopefully that helps. I'm going to attach to the bottom of this video a link to the Google Docs help article that will give you this formula as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.